Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science class. Before starting today's lesson, let's have a quick recall. In our previous lesson, we have learned about living and non-living things. Living things. Things that have life are called living things, and things that don't have life are called non-living things. All man-made things are non-living things. Now we will start our today's lesson number 2. In today's lesson we will discuss characteristics of living and non-living things. Living things. Things that have life are called living things. They have some characteristics like they can move, they can grow, needs food and water, they can breathe and they can reproduce. Living things can move like human beings, move using their legs. Snake crawls while fish swim in the water. Animals use their legs to move. They use their forelegs. Plants cannot move freely from one place to another place, but sunflower follows the direction of the sun. Living things can grow. Like in human beings, baby to child, child to a man. In plants, seed to a plant, then it grow into a tree. And in animals, a calf into a cow. Living things can reproduce. Reproduction. What is reproduction? Yes, reproduction is a process in which a living thing gives birth to a young one of its own kind. Like birds lay eggs from which young ones come out and slowly grow into adults. Reproduction in animals. A cat gives birth to a kitten. Reproduction in plants. Reproduction in plants happen in different ways. Some plants grow from seeds of their old plants, but some plants grow from their stem, like money plant. And some plants grow from their leaf like aloe vera. Reproduction in human beings. A woman gives birth to a baby. Non-living things. Non-living things are the things which don't have life, and all man-made things are non-living things. Now I will tell you about some characteristics of non-living things. They cannot move, they cannot grow, they cannot breathe, they cannot reproduce, even they don't need any type of food. Non-living things are usually made by human beings like shoes, guitar, car, house and so many other things. But in nature there are some non-living things which are not man-made. Yes, like mountain, rocks, stones, rain, rivers and clouds. These are present in nature. Now I will show you some pictures and you will tell me these are living or non-living things. Here on the screen you can see some pictures. Yes, a cycle, a ball and a clock. These are all non-living things. And here you can see a human being, fish, butterfly, bird, elephant and plant. These are all, yes, living things. They can eat, they can move, breathe, grow and reproduce. Dear students, we have learned today that all living things are natural, but some living things are present in nature and they are non-living thing like mountain, river, sand, cloud and rain. They can move. Living things can move, eat, breathe and reproduce, while the non-living things are man-made and they cannot move, breathe, eat and reproduce. Hope you understand today's lesson. Homework time now. In the next slide I am sharing homework page which you will read with the help of your parents. Yes, this page you will read with the help of your parents. Instruction for uploading homework. Make a small video of your child and while reading the page and upload in Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.